AI directors. What is AI directors? AI directors is one of the cutting edge, push button friendly softwares that you can use to be able to do a product demo, to talk about your services, and also using AI. Of course, AI is a big buzzword, especially in the year 2026. But here's the issue. There's software that's going to cost you credits, and eventually you're going to run out of those credits. You're going to have to renew those credits. That's going to be more money out of your pocket. That's very frustrating. Number two, the learning curve. How many countless videos that you have to go through, and the mistakes, and getting frustrated, and then just give up. And I have a whole hard drive full of softwares where I just said, you know what, it's just too much. It's not worth my time. Well, here's a cool tool that I want to recommend to you. It's called AI directors. And what it basically does in a nutshell, it allows you to create UGC product videos, whether it's a product or a service. And I'm going to be showing you a demo. And if you pick this up through my link at no cost to you, I'm going to be presenting you or giving you a bonus of a vacation. And the question is, who can't use a vacation, especially in this time and age that we're living in, so stressful. Sometimes we need a little time out. So I'm going to be back at the end of this presentation to tell you a little bit more about the bonuses and how you can get started today. You guys are going to love this. Your frustration is over with. And by the way, and if you're a network marketer, you know who I'm talking about. If you're a network marketer, you are required to try to get that information out as soon as possible. And it can get frustrating. A lot of people know that they should be getting content out, but they don't. Well, this is going to solve that problem, okay? So my friend Abi, who's the creator of the software, is going to do a product demo, and I'll be back to tell you about how to get those bonuses. Okay, thank you.
Welcome to AI Directors. In this short walkthrough video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Directors to create advertorial videos to promote any product or service out there, and use AI Directors to start 3 different kinds of AI on-click businesses that bring in sales and profit to you day after day without being creative, without doing any extra work. Once you're on the dashboard, you want to create a character first, and then you want to create an ad campaign, which is an ad video. Now, to create a character, you click on characters and click on create new character. Now here you can upload your own picture and turn yourself into a character, just like the way I have done over here for myself. You simply upload a picture. If I click over here, you upload a picture, give yourself a name, your age, your voice, your gender, and the character is generated. Super easy. Now, the second way is you can generate a brand new AI character. So let's say we want to create a new character named Madison. So I'm going to type her name, Madison. Let's say she's 25. That's her essence. Her appearance could be, that's her appearance. We can pick clothing as well, which you can change anytime you want as well. And then we pick a voice. We can connect your own 11 labs if you want to do that, or you can use your own custom voice. You can clone your voice to do that if you're doing that. Or you can use from tons of AI voices that we have in tons of different languages that we support. So let's go for English, and we're going to select female, and we're going to select this voice. You can preview the voice by clicking on the play icon here. Select the gender, we confirm the voice, and we generate the character. Now this would take a couple of seconds for AI Directors to build the character for you. And once the character is completed, you can preview it. If you want to change something, you can change it, modify it. And once you're good with it, just confirm, and the character is good to go to create AI videos. Now, as you can see, our character is ready. We can edit it. We can switch the face. So switch face means you can upload your picture, and what AI will do is going to replace this face with your face, but with this body. So tons of different things you can do. Now let's go ahead and create our ad campaign. So I'm going to click on ad campaign, and I'm going to click on create new ad right over here. Now, let's say I want to create an ad promoting a sunscreen. So I'm going to product name would be sunscreen. I would want to describe a product. There you go. I'm going to add a product image. Next, we're going to select how many videos we want to create. We can add multiple images as well if you want. We can create multiple videos for the same. We want to create one video for the demonstration. We can select from different kind of video formats. Let's say we want to create an Instagram reel for this demonstration. Now you can select different countries as well and different languages. So when you select a different country, essentially it's going to formulate a script that works for the demographic of that country. Now you can also add a talking head on the video. So if you want to add a talking head, you can do that by uploading your own picture. You can use a transparent background if you want for the talking head, so it looks more realistic. You can again change the voice that you want to use. So you already have selected a voice for the characters, right? So we're going to select this character, which is Madison, that we just created. And then we have already selected a voice for Madison, but if we want to change the voice, we can change that as well. So here we're going to use Alice voice. Now we can schedule this video to be automatically published on different social media accounts that you have connected based on a date and time that you want. And you can select AI to find the best time to publish these videos. Or you could just just create them and download them and publish it wherever you want, or you sell it to your clients. Now we're going to select the target audience. Our target audience is going to be adults, young adults, 25 to 40, and the demographic would be people looking for beauty products. And then we're going to click on continue to add style. Now here we can select from different kind of ad styles. So we can create a product showcase, we can do a lifestyle, we can do a testimonial, we can do a story driven, and then we can pick a tone. It could be funny, emotional, promotional, educational, inspirational, or we can write a custom one. For this one, we're gonna do let's say do a promotional and do a product showcase. Click generate script. Now what AI Director is gonna do is convert all this data that we have and learn everything about the product that we uploaded and convert that into a script that you can later modify or regenerate the script. So this is the script that it has generated. And of course we can remodify and modify whatever we want. So for example, PA plus, we're going to say, so it's easy for it to read. We can add more to it. We can reduce more to it. If you want, whatever you want to do with the script, it's fully editable. Now, the next thing that's going to happen is going to start generating the slides. It's going to convert all that thing, the character into a moving character, placing the product in the hand, voiceover, animation, everything's going to be put together in next to couple of minutes, and you'll be able to preview the video. Now, as you can see, the video is ready and awaiting customization. So we're going to click on these three dots and edit the video. Now here you can preview the video. You can add and customize background, images, videos, add more text to it. Change the script and the voiceover that's added on the video. You can change the talking head. As you can see, the talking head is added over here. You can change the position to where you want the talking head to be. You can make it this or make it larger, whatever size you want, you can do that. You can change the background music. You can add animations, transitions between multiple slides. You can change transitions, of course. You can add credit and intro and outro slides. You can add captions if you want. You can turn on captions. You can pick from different themes of captions that we have. You can choose the audio limit. You can add a call to action, which could be your website URL, and would be added top center, bottom left, bottom right, wherever you want. Can be added just like this over here. We've added it in bottom right. And then of course you can customize adding a logo or watermark for your client. Once you're ready, you can click on preview, and it's going to preview the video clip for you. And just like this, you can see how the video looks, and you can hear the music. You can see the captions at the bottom. You can see the character applying this cream and promoting the cream. It looks like a really well done video with full effect on it. And once you're ready with the preview, you can simply click on render, and the video will start rendering. Now this takes about a couple of minutes as well to render together, but once the video is rendered, what you can do is click on schedule, and you can see all the videos that you've scheduled to be published on your social media. And then you can use traffic builder module to start generating traffic to these videos. So that's how AI Director works. It lets you create these incredible videos. Now what I'm going to do is once I end this demonstration video, I'm going to play a couple of samples for you to watch these samples. Now you can use AI Director in so many ways, especially in 3 incredible ways to build a fully AI automated cash producing, profit generating, sales generating, commission generating business by promoting affiliate product, by setting it up as an agency and selling these videos to other local and online brands and customers and clients and businesses. And you can also set up your own Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel and start generating revenue from ads, but also by building your own following and selling sponsorship deals on those accounts. So let's watch a couple of samples. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Are you ready to transform your skincare routine?
Hydrating SPF 50+ that absorbs fast, no white cast. Water-resistant protection, dewy glow that lasts. Get yours today.
Struggling to make videos? Watch this. One click changes everything.
Turn any product image into human-like videos automatically.
Start your AI-powered video business today with AI Directors.
Okay, tornado hair? Meet my Oxage 2000 watt lifesaver.
Foldable, travel-friendly, ionic power, fast-drying, frizz-tamed. Unleash your hair, Oxage dryer. Find it in bio.
Tired of tangled wires and mediocre sound?
Bluetooth 5.4, deep bass, ENC, 40 milliseconds low latency gain, 25-hour playback, IPX4 sweat safe. Get Moxie V20 today.
So guys, I appreciate you guys sticking around to watch that presentation. Again, AI Directors is a tool that you definitely need, that you definitely are going to be able to get the content out in a very rapid, fast way. And the main thing is that you want to get viral. You can put this on TikTok. You can put this on Instagram. You can put this on YouTube. You can put this on LinkedIn. It's countless. You can put it on the web and get found by people who are searching for your product and service, right? So this is something that you need to start taking action on. I know a lot of people are really suffering because of the economy. There's a lot of stuff going on, and you need tools like this to be able to kind of stand out and get your information out. If you're camera shy, your shyness is over, no more. Okay, so you're going to be able to use AI to generate a persona of yourself if you want, or somebody else, to be able to get that information out. And especially if you're a guy and you're selling makeup, you're not going to be putting makeup on yourself, but you can create a UGC woman top model, if you will, to be able to present that information. So yes, you got to get this tool. And again, by me reviewing over this product, I wanted to again tell you that I'm going to be giving you a bonus of a vacation. And again, who can't use a vacation in 2026, right? And to be able to really take the time and really do your content on vacation, and you can use this tool while you're on vacation. So the only thing that you're required to is to pay for your air travel. It's not included. And then oftentimes is whatever type of fees for the resort fees. But other than that, that's the only thing that you're really paying for. A lot of these vacation spots are basically trying to drum up business, 5-star locations. But their hopes is that you are able to use their facilities, the gym, bar service, going out to their clubs, buying drinks, things of that nature. That's how they make their money, right? But in terms of your room and stay, it's going to be covered by my bonus, okay? So click the link to get started, and I'll see you guys on my next review. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.